I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network. First, navigate to your device's settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once there, look for the Network and Internet or Wi-Fi section. Tap on it to open the wireless settings. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is switched to the on position. This ensures your device is actively searching for available networks, a crucial first step in establishing your connection. After enabling Wi-Fi, your device will display a list of available wireless networks. These are identified by their unique names, also known as SSIDs. Carefully scan this list to find the network you wish to join. Once you've located your desired network, simply tap or click on its name. This action prepares your device to establish a connection, moving you one step closer to browsing the internet or accessing local resources. Now you'll be prompted to enter the network's security key, often called a password. It's vital to type this password accurately, as it is case-sensitive. Take a moment to double-check your entry to avoid common errors. Many devices offer an option to show the password as you type, which can be very helpful. Once entered, tap the Connect or Join button. Your device will then attempt to authenticate and establish a secure connection. If you encounter any issues connecting, don't worry. A common first step is to restart both your device and your Wi-Fi router. This can resolve many temporary glitches. Also, always verify that you have the correct Wi-Fi password. A single incorrect character can prevent connection. For a stronger, more reliable signal, try to position your device within 20 to 30 feet of your router. These simple tips can often get you connected quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.